We all need to do it, guys. We all need to do it. Right. My video today is a continuation of a series of videos that have been published by a few YouTubers out there that work on cars, etc. Grabby something, I forgot the numbers now, do apologize. Made the first one. Cars Exposed, Igor made the second video. Leon, Botched and Legged Garage, made the third one, and hopefully I'll be the fourth one. All these videos will be in the description below, even because my video will make more sense after you watch the Botched and Legged Garage one. And I'm gonna kind of carry on from where he left. First of all, and don't tell anyone, he can only count up to 5. Yeah, I know. He looks that smart, but he can only count up to 5. He's just learning now to add both ends together and count up to 10. Yeah, no, but shh, don't tell anyone. Anyway, carry on from where he left. I really enjoyed this video. And there's another thing that I think he didn't mention, probably because he can only count up to 5. But I'll carry on from there, and I'll make that as my first one. My first tool is your ears. Guys, listen to things. Listen to things. When you have a non-start, sometimes starts, sometimes doesn't. When it starts, what's the difference from when it doesn't? Oh, there is a click that doesn't happen when it... Okay, so where's that click usually comes from? And you move on. Listen to things. There's a rattling noise. There's a ticking noise comes from somewhere. All that sort of stuff. Sometimes it's just... is what I call pay attention to detail. Obviously not just with your eyes. Watch Leon's video, quite good. But yeah, listen to things. Another one, my tool number 2. Your nose. Smell it. Believe me or not, it's not the first time I actually go and I smell things. Oh, it smells a little bit of burn here. You shouldn't smell this. Something doesn't sound right here. You know what I mean? So yeah, number 2 is your nose. Don't be afraid to stick your nose close to things, and yeah, sometimes it can help you. So my next thing, believe me or not, this is just an example, but it's a screwdriver. The amount of things I do with a screwdriver is absolutely unbelievable. This is a little tool that can save your fortune, and believe me or not, it can save your fortune. Is when I start to work on any car, there's a bunch of tools I always, or sometimes you know kind of in advance what you're going to work on, and obviously you grab specific tools. But when I don't know, sometimes, which a lot of times I just know what the car is doing, and it will go from there. But there's a couple tools I always grab at the start, and this is always in my list. Screwdriver. Don't forget, screwdriver is a very good tool. And I think on the next one, I'm going to be very, very broadly. I'm not going to be very specific, but it's a scan tool. And yes, you can have a 20 quid scan tool, or you can have £1,000, thousands and thousands of pounds scan tool. Nevertheless, you need a scan tool, especially if you do this more in even if you do as a DIYer, but if you do this often, working on cars often, you need a scan tool. You have an engine light on, what is it? Without scanning it, you never know. So, but once you have the code, then yes, you might don't need expensive tools to carry on. Once you have the code and the code tells you where to go, from there, you just move on. So it's the scan tool. And my number 5 tool is your multimeter. Okay, my multimeter is nothing special. Obviously I do appreciate that expensive tools are usually better. Usually you get what you pay for. So, but you don't need nothing too special. My multimeter that you've seen on most of my videos, I can't remember, I bought that years and years ago. It's still the same, it still do the job. You don't need nothing special, but it's a multimeter. A multimeter working on cars is a must-have tool. You will not get away for too long without having a scan tool. Sorry, without having a multimeter. So yeah, that's my top 5. A little bit of carry on from Botched and Legged. Just help him out. So Leon, if you are watching this, that will make the 10. So 5 plus 5 is 10. Okay. So guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope makes sense my list. I will leave the links for all the other videos already published in the description below. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, any comments, put them below. And like always, thanks for watching.